All right. So some of you are already beginning to see uh, the new Viiva Social, right? The new Viiva turnkey system, which allows you to actually post on your Facebook page. I'm going to give you a really brief overview so you can start using it. Okay, you have it available on a PC as well as on an iPad and on your phone, a smartphone. So first thing you want to do is this. Let's do some of this. Let's do a little cleanup, make the screen a little bigger. You're going to want to come to resources and go to your resource library. Okay, and scroll down to the bottom of the resource library, and you're going to want to click on this down here where it says Viiva Shopping Network Portal. Okay, once you click on that, it's going to open up another page, and it's going to look like this. Now, right now, Viiva has 5 different videos already loaded, everything. So we're just going to walk through one of them. Okay, you actually saw one right on our page here, Team Viiva. But what you're going to do is you can preview the video. You can get the link to share it. That's what I did. But I'm going to select this presentation just for the heck of it. Okay, so I've selected it. Step 2 is you can actually take a look at the select for the post select to share, right? Simply click the post below. I'll just click this one down at the bottom and then publish to your timeline or group or like that. Okay, so the easiest thing that I found, the absolute easiest thing that I found is this. Let's see if I can head back to the, we'll just do here. Like we're starting over and we want to start a video. There we go. Boom. What if you just grabbed a link? So we're just going to grab this and just grab this as a link, okay? I'm going to copy that link. We'll run over to Facebook on Team Viiva over here, and you can actually see. So you would just cut, you would just paste it right into your, say something about it or whatever, but paste it in there. Just like, let's get this out of here. Just like I did here. So you've seen it down below. Okay. So let's click on it, and I'm going to show you what it does. So imagine this on your own Facebook page or in a group. They click on it, and it takes them to the Viiva Social Facebook page. But here's some really cool things I want to share with you. I'll pull that out of there. So it's loading up the video. Now it says you are shopping with, and it says Joy Edgerton, right? Because our name or our distributorship is under Joy's name. Okay. So there you go. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to fast forward it a little bit so you don't have to watch the whole thing here.
Hey guys, I wanted to share with you some of my absolute favorite Viiva products that I like to have just when I'm on the go. So first is P3. P3 is a probiotic, and you can just pop it into your mouth, and I like to think of it as...
Bam. So let's stop there. Once you said P3, you notice that a couple things happened. So let's take a look at those. First, let me do this. Boom, 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 draw. Number 1, it shows up here on the side of the page, right? It already has their 10% discount in there. And since we know who they're shopping with, your name will be here. Your code, your promo code is actually embedded in there, okay? You also see it down in here, okay? Now, I was playing with this before, and it says I have 2 in the cart. So we'll change that here in a minute. But I wanted to show you that first so people can come, and as it pops up, they can actually add it to their cart. So let me show you that in real time, okay? So let's remove some of the annotations so this doesn't get in the way. And clear all that. Cool. Okay, so let's say we wanted the P3, and I clicked add to the cart. Now you're going to need to start filling it in. So your customer is going to put the first name, their last name, and info at. So we'll put that in there. We'll click save. So success there. So that's cool. So we've already got 1. We actually have things in our cart. So I'm going to go to the, well, let's just watch a little more.
It's a pixie stick, and it tastes just as good as one too. So what's cool about P3 promotes good gut flora. So good gut that prevents excessive sugar cravings, and as you can get from 10 cups of yogurt. Next, we have Amazon Superfruits. So Amazon Superfruits tastes so great. There's so many different kind of berries in it, like acai, and this little packet is filled with so many antioxidants. And what I love about Amazon Superfruits is that it's so versatile.
So this is really cool. So you have a way for someone to look at to watch this on Facebook without ever having to leave Facebook. We have things in the cart. We already have our customers' first name, last name, email, right? Let's head to the checkout. Now you're going to see a few more products because I played with this a few minutes ago. But we can change a quantity here. Let's say we wanted 2 of the probiotics and 1 of the Amazon. That's pretty much, of those products, I do 2 of the probiotics a month. I love that product. It has the discounted price and it has the total, $166.50. You click next and it takes you to get their personal information. So this is where they fill out their shipping, their name, the shipping, the billing information, create a customer account, right? And when they click next, it's going to gather their credit card and bam, you got a customer. And so, a lot of times what happens, let me cancel this. A lot of times what does happen in our industry is you share on Facebook and somebody goes, oh, that's kind of cool. And then they get off doing something else. I'll get back to this person and I'll order later. Now they can order right now. So that's pretty exciting. So go to your back office under resources and resource library. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to find your link for this program. Let's see if I can make that a little wider. There we go. Didn't make that wider, but you'll find this link. Go ahead, head over there, start using it, putting it out there. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's already linked to you. So you can start posting on it today and start picking up some more customers. And I actually took this, guys, this link, and I shared it with some people that were potentially considering the business just to show them the kind of technology. I had one person say to me 2 weeks ago, I've heard a lot of people have been talking about this, but I hadn't seen anybody do it. Well, I sent it to him first. Because now it's sort of like, check it out. This is something that that we've got that I've never seen anybody else. So as we talk about technology to people, this is one of the technologies. It's called a TurnKey system, Viiva Social. It is a way for you to share on social media. And I think it's just Facebook right now, but what a great way to capture people and have them buy products and become a customer of yours. So that's what I've got today. So thanks, guys. We will talk to you later. Bye for now.